The Echoes of Paris. Introduction. The spirit of the runway. Imagine walking down the Avenue Montaigne. The air is crisp and the atmosphere is electric. Paris Fashion Week 2026 hasn't just arrived. It has redefined everything we thought we knew about style. This year, the runway wasn't just a catwalk, it was a time machine. From the ghost of Marie Antoinette to the sharp edges of a futuristic cityscape, Paris is speaking. Are you listening? Chapter 1. The Modern Renaissance. The first thing you'll notice is a whisper from the 18th century. But this isn't your history teacher's wardrobe. Designers like Dior have taken the corset, once a symbol of restriction, and turned it into a badge of power. We're seeing crinolines and wide-hip silhouettes reimagined in high-tech, breathable fabrics. It's Napoleonic chic for the modern world. Gold buttons, ornate embroidery, and military tailoring paired with your favorite pair of raw denim. Chapter 2. The Art of the Invisible. As the sun sets over the Seine, transparency takes center stage. But forget what you know about sheer. This season is about high-tech transparency. Think of it as a watercolor painting come to life. Chloe and Valentino are layering organza to create depth, hiding, and revealing all at once. It's a delicate dance of nonchalant romance where a sheer, flowing skirt meets the heavy, grounded weight of an oversized blazer. Chapter 3. The Architecture of Power. Look up at the silhouettes. The 80s have returned, but they've been to engineering school. Saint Laurent is leading the charge with XXL shoulders, sculptural, squared-off frames that command the room before you even speak. And keep an eye on the details. The zipper aesthetic at Hermès is changing the game. One zip and a slim dress transforms into a voluminous masterpiece. Fashion is no longer static, it's alive. Chapter 4. The Palette of 2026. Color is the heartbeat of this collection. While the world expected dark winter tones, Paris gave us rebellion. Deep, rich burgundy is the king of leather coats this year, but it's being challenged by vanilla and popcorn yellow. These soft, buttery shades are the new neutrals, bringing a sense of warmth and quiet luxury to the cold pavement. Conclusion. Your turn to walk. Paris Fashion Week isn't just for the front row. It's a blueprint for how we express ourselves. Whether you're leaning into the drama of a modern showgirl or the structure of a power blazer, the message is clear. Be bold, be architectural, and never be afraid to look back to move forward. The runway is clear, but the story is just beginning. Which Paris trend will you make your own? If you're finding your flow with today's session, subscribe to the Story Shadow and join our community of English learners.